Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create transparent text in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have edited my video to the project, and first of all, I'm going to add text to my video. So I'm going to click on the text menu here and then select quick text. And for example, I'm just going to type in wait guys. Okay, I'm going to type in transparent, and I'm going to show you how we can create the transparent text. But wait, I'm going to move my text to the first layer so it can appear on my video. Okay, this is for the text. I'm going to place it here and I'm going to make it bigger. Alright, if we want to create transparent text, we need to scroll down until we find the compositioning right here. Select compositioning, and here you will find an option called opacity, and reduce the opacity to make it transparent. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create transparent text in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.